Hello, thanks for tuning in. I know it's been a while since I've done a car video, so I figured I'd do one. We're off today to pick up and save an Early's 90 Honda. Got the trailer ready. It is a ED6 model, 1991 Honda Civic hatchback. I believe it's the Canadian model, if I'm not mistaken, and you know, it's been up on Marketplace for a while. So I've seen it, and we're gonna go pick it up and save this bad boy. So yeah, if you like these videos, give a thumbs up, comment, let me know. Lets me know that I'm doing things right, what you guys want to see. But we are going to start getting some more car videos, restorations going on, and we'll see what we can make these little 90s gems happen. You know, get them out there and tear up these other cars. Alright, we're in Old Faithful, 3500 Big Bertha. We're going to take a ride and go get this thing. Let her warm up, and we'll get some shots driving down there. And we're still going. Such a mission to get this dang car. Why so long to get it? Just had to record this bumpy, look like it's paved road. I gotta drive this thing for miles with my trailer. The things we go through to save these cars. Get this bad boy out in the woods. Oof-ah. Alright, here it is. It's a 91 Honda Civic hatchback. It's commonly referred to as the EF, but I believe it's a ED6. This is a Canadian model. It's 100% stock, was not touched or modified in any way. I found it out in the woods, bought it off somebody. They had said it had been sitting up for at least 10 years or so. I mean, this thing is absolutely stock, everything, no body damage. It's just been sitting there now. It was in pieces. I found the bumper inside the car, and some things are gonna have to be replaced, but there's no major body damage. I mean, this thing is in great shape. Stop back here and look in the trunk real quick. I was amazed. Look at that. It still has the cargo shelf. All the clips aren't broken. All the screws that they took apart are in here. It is an automatic. No tack, full AC, all the interiors in here. Transmission went out, is what the lady told me. Back seats are clean. Super clean interior. Everything just has to be wiped down. Door cards look amazing. I mean, this thing is totally stock. There is the mirror, driver's side, and if you look, I'm knocking stuff down. If you look, the passenger side don't have a mirror. It's just a block-off plate. So, I looked at the tag and the VIN. It's a 91, like I said, out of Canada. One of the cool things that I found on here. Let me pause this and open this hood. Alright, got the hood open. As you can see, the transmission's out and it's in the floorboard of the car. It's missing seats, little things, nothing big. But this is the original dual point motor. Said that I've only about 70,000 on this motor. I have no idea. Take it at face value. But the strange thing about this car is a few things. One, it has AC. A lot of these standards, these DX models and these standards didn't come with AC. So this one has AC and it has power steering, which is pretty crazy. So we'll go under there and look at it and see how that looks. I've never seen power steering on these early model Hondas from 88 to 91, unless it was like a Prelude or something. But that's the pump reservoir. So yeah, I think she said this thing will fire up. It had oil in it and everything. It didn't look too bad. I mean, it don't look terrible in there. Looks like a regular Honda motor. But yeah, it's mostly stock. It's pretty rare to find these things in stock form like this. Usually they're all beat up and everything. So it looks like everything's here, headlights and everything but the air snorkel. I got the wiper blades inside. The arms were in there. It's gonna need a few things, but like I said, not too bad. It's pretty amazing. I had one of these about a decade ago as well, so I got a whole bunch of parts for it, body kit and all that stuff. We're not gonna do too much work to it, just get it running, get it going good. Came with the keys, came with the title, has the computer in there and everything. I've got seat pans for it and all that stuff. So, just really got to get the axles and the transmission back in. I probably won't use that transmission because it looks like it's open. I don't know what's going on with it. But again, it's very clean back there. Just really needs to be cleaned up. That's about it. Get under here and look at some of the suspension and see what we got. Like I said, this is a DX model, so I believe it's got drum brakes. Yeah, let me get the flashlight on. Yeah, it looks like we got drum brakes back here. Subframe looks good. I couldn't really check it out when I got it, but yeah, everything looks good. Subframe, all that stuff looks good down there. Exhaust looks good, it's all stock. That power steering rack down there. So I've never really seen one on these cars, but transmission cables there, catalytic converters there. It looks pretty clean. There's no real damage to the body or anything. Yeah, looks real good. So we'll get this thing worked on. Everything else looks okay. Get this thing running, see what happens. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe.